So very warm and a pleasant good morning to class 6. And today we are going to see, as we have discussed about the exam pattern, about the syllabus, the timetable. Again, I request other students to switch on the camera. Nimisha, Harsh, Pratik, Arham, Cheshta, Manya, both them. Manya, you have been entered 3 times. You have entered 3 times login, I can see here. 3 Manya Jain 679 I can see. Hardik. Okay. So a warm welcome to all the students. And really it is a pleasant morning where I am going to tell you how to write down the question answers, how we have to do it. And today was your test of which chapter, I guess you'll remember?
The Ant Explorer.
The Ant Explorer, right? So are you all ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one yes I got. Others no?
Yes, ma'am.
So why you are not saying yes, ma'am? Okay, I will give 2-3 lines from between and I will ask questions on it, right? So my first question to Nimisha. Nimisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Nimisha. I'm going to read out 2 lines, 2 to 3 lines, and you have to listen to those lines very carefully. On those questions, I will be asking you answer, right? So, is your book closed, ma'am?
Yes,
Manya, please be careful about the test and ask your friends regularly if you are not present in the class. Nimisha, shall we begin?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till he reached a dreadful desert. Nimisha, switch on your camera. Till he reached a dreadful desert that was feet and feet across. 'Twas a dry, deserted desert and a trackless land to tread. He wished that he was home again and tucked up tight in bed. His little legs were wobbly. His strength was nearly spent. Name the poet of the poem, The Ant Explorer. Nimisha. Beta, if you know, say yes. If you don't know, say no. But don't switch off your camera and go away. This is a very bad work what you're doing. Good, very good answer. Nice answer. Kushal Parak,
Yes, ma'am.
can you give me the answer? Don't roam here and there, sit quietly at one place.
My phone not at charging, then I will come at here.
Have you heard my question?
Yes, ma'am. Now, can you say that line?
Again, I have to read. Who is the poet of the poem and the explorer?
Ma'am, John. Ma'am, John. A-R-E-T.
Forgot it.
Ma'am, C.J. John.
No much time I can give, not much time I can give. Aryan Jain, can you answer me?
Ma'am, John Dennis.
Clarence James Dennis. Clarence James Dennis. You all have to learn. I told you 110 times. Aryan, can you tell me the meaning of these two lines?
Ma'am, which two lines?
Is the book in front of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So listen to me carefully. I will read it out once again. He wished that he was home again and tucked up tight in bed. His little legs were wobbly. His strength was nearly spent. No?
मैम एक बार वापस.
I am a tape recorder. Ruby? Can you answer me, Ruby?
No, ma'am.
No. Very good. Good job. Keep it up. Prepare like this only for examination. Okay, beta? Tirth Baradia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain me these two lines?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sugar Aunt is thinking that why should I move from my home, and thinking that to go back to the home and sleep tight in his bed, and his strength of walking is going to end.
Means he is too much tired. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, other students have not prepared or what with this chapter, with this poem? Very few students I can see they have prepared. Huh? Beta, in examination I will give from any corner, then what will you do? Very good. Hardly 15 days are left for the examination, and see the condition of my students. Monday you all are going to have written test. Clear? Am I
Okay.
clear? Please note down the chapters. The Cherry Tree, The Ant Explorer, and Mary Kom. 3 chapters written test. All the students of class
Yes,
6,
ma'am. Now
note
it's
it
okay.
down. The Cherry Tree, The Ant Explorer, Mary Kom. Clear? Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
I guess no one will be absent on that day.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Pratik, your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, just a second. What is the meaning of Brecken? What is the meaning of Brecken? B-R-A-C-K-E-N. Give the meaning of the word Brecken.
Ma'am, टूटना.
No, beta, a type of fern. Broken नहीं बोली मैं. I have not said broken. It is Brecken. B-R-A-C-K-E-N. It's a type of fern. एक तरीके का पेड़ पौधे का नाम है. Right?
Yes, ma'am. वो छोटे पेड़ होते हैं.
Yes. Next question to Harsh Ballota. बेटा क्लास 6 स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, 5 तक के जो भी आपने किया 6 में बहुत अलग है बेटा. 6 is very tough than class 5. Okay, so please listen to me very carefully. I will ask questions from any corner of the chapter. Any corner means any corner. You have to prepare yourself, or else I will send marks in the school WhatsApp group. Then your parents will see and then start shouting. My next question is to Harsh Ballota. Harsh. Harsh. He's good for nothing. Next is next Deshna. Deshna. Very good, very good. Who all have not submitted their fair copies yet? Fair copies and art integration किन किन बच्चों ने जमा नहीं किया है?
Ma'am has submitted art integration. Fair copy I will submit.
When? When?
My
Ma'am, I already
integration and fair copy I submitted in Gmail.
I have said
Fair copy
who
I
has
will
not
not-
submitted? Beta, by Sunday if I don't get na, on Monday you all are going to get 0. For one child, everyone will get 0. So tell your team members to complete it and submit it. Sonu? Sonu?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of frond? F-R-O-N-D, frond.
A long list of
Very good, very good. बिना देख के बोल रहे हो कि देख के बोल रहे हो? Very good, Sonu. Sonu, I want one meaning from your side. Can you give me? If I read out the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Once a little sugar ant made up his mind to roam, to fare away, far away from home. He had eaten all his breakfast and he had his ma's consent to see what he should chance to see, and here's the way he went. Please tell me the meaning, Sonu.
Ma'am, English can be.
Yes, beta.
मैम हिंदी में बोलो.
No, beta. Whatever English you know, speak in English. Whether it is a bad English, I will take care of it. Don't worry, don't feel shame. But you have to try to speak in English. Come on, Sonu, try. Yes, Sonu. Sonu, speak, beta. Sonu, set your camera. I can see your fan. I can't see you. Set your camera properly. Is it a mobile or a laptop?
Mobile.
So set your mobile properly. I can see you at the ceiling and the fan. I can't see you. Now it's okay. So now tell me, beta, try. I will help you out.
The breakfast
Dan breaks fast to go far.
Try. I know you can do it. You can do it, beta. Sonu, try. Once a little sugar ant made up his mind to roam. Matlab, what do you mean by that?
वो ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकली और फिर बहुत दूर पेड़ पर चढ़कर छोटे पेड़ पर चढ़कर
You're trying, beta. You have to speak. Tirth, would you like to translate?
Yes,
Tirth,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
try to explain the line. सुनो बेटा ध्यान
Yes,
से.
ma'am. The sugar ant who want to explore all the world take all his breakfast and go for his mother's concern that where should he go first to see. Then he gone for a walk for ex- to explore the world.
Sonu, did you got the meaning? Sonu, did you got the meaning? Sonu. Acha. Next question is to Cheshta. Cheshta, thank you, Tirth. Cheshta. Cheshta. Chahat. Manya, any one of you? Who is there in the class? Chahat is there. Mike is not there. Cheshta. He's having problem in mic. Okay. Then who else is there? Manya. Cheshta is able to. You can speak, Cheshta. Are you able to speak? Cheshta, are you able to speak? She is also facing problem. Manya. Yes. No one is willing to speak out. There is one question. Who will answer me? Raise your hand from the same chapter. Aryan Jain wants to answer. Aryan? Aryan?
Yes.
Beta, my
Yes,
question
ma'am.
is, what feeling does the little explorer evoke in you?
To change the world, in, to change the world, to explore the world.
Beta, how will you actually start the answer? How should you start the answer? Do you know?
The ant wants to change the world.
No. The feelings that the little explorer evoked in us. How will you start? You start from the question, Aryan. Are you getting me? Beta?
Yes.
Are you able to understand? You have to start the answer from the question itself. Ki the interest or the feelings that the little explorer evoke in us is that, फिर आपका answer. Getting me, Aryan?
Yes.
If your
ma'am.
answer is incomplete, I have to
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
your marks. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear, children? Okay. Next question is, how does the poet express that the ant was obedient, was tiny, had fears? What is the correct answer? How does the poet express that the ant was obedient, was tiny, was fierce? Yes, Aryan?
मैम वो जो सेकंड ऑप्शन बोले थे वो क्या था?
Was tiny. Speak in English, beta. Tiny मतलब एकदम छोटा.
मैम एब्डोमेन ऐसे बोले थे मैम.
Was obedient. Obedient. ईमानदार.
Was obedient. Was
Obedient.
obedient.
ठीक है? Please read English as
Yes,
much
ma'am.
as you can, बच्चा. Okay. Now let me see if anyone can answer me from Mary Com. Who will answer me? Answer me.
मैम कहना है.
Ted Baradia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think so. I'm feeling like I'm teaching only 3-4 students in class. Rest all are shutting their mouth, keeping quiet. They don't want to answer and participate in the class. It is for their betterment only, right? I promised myself and I proved myself, says Mary Com. How did she prove herself?
She proved herself by winning 6 world championships and an Olympic medal.
Okay, there. But if I give you options, by playing and defeating men, by being a successful and a famous sports person, by looking after the family and her career, by playing a sport that people thought was for men.
Ma'am, last option.
Ma'am, the people.
Ma'am, the last
Ma'am, the
option.
By playing the sport that people doubt was for men. By playing the sport that people was for men.
Okay. What were the 2 difficulties that Mary Com faced? Being poor and diminutive, being a woman from a village. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, being poor and diminutive. Being poor and
diminutive.
Diminutive.
option A.
And being.
Acha, my next, this is a question answer, right? You have to answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is Mary's advice to other Indian women?
To be more self-confident.
Good, good. Only this way you will answer, Aram. आप आंसर ऐसे ही करेंगे बेटा?
मैम क्वेश्चन
What is Mary's advice to other Indian women?
मेरी advice was that to women they would be self-confident.
They should be.
They should be self-confident.
Next question to Ruby. Ruby,
Yes, ma'am.
what was Mary's inspiration?
Mary Com's inspiration is that to be a boxer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am,
will say-
Mary Com's inspiration. She was first inspired by Dingo Singh, who has won amateur
After-
boxing championship. Then the great Muhammad Ali, and now she is inspired by she's own goals and achievements.
Yes. Now this answer will be given by Cheshta. Cheshta, your question is. Wait, your question.
Yes.
Another question for you. Mary had to face many hurdles to move towards achieving her dream to become a world champion in boxing. Elaborate your answer.
I don't know this answer.
Why you don't know this answer?
Hello.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Mary has to face many hurdles to become a famous boxer. The first hurdle which she has in her childhood, by this she has to help her parents in fields and take care of her house and her siblings according to attending school. Community size was another big hurdle. The many people, including her parents, says that boxing was not for women. It is a male sport. Mary take a long time to tell people that she was made for sport. And he found it difficult to manage her family and fit in training of boxing, and he can't afford training. After he won an Olympic medal, then the things is easier. Then things becoming easier for her.
Very good, Aram. You have tried that. I really appreciate this thing. And I want my other students also should do the same. And those who have not submitted their copy or the art integration, if you're not submitting it by Sunday last, I will give directly 0 to you all, and then don't tell me that, ma'am, I'm really very sorry for this. I won't accept your sorry also if you don't submit your copy and your art integration both. Clear? Thank you so much, and get prepared for your written test on Monday. Bye.